Welcome to How to Play Narde. To play, you will need 2 players and a backgammon set. Thanks to JP Games for providing the backgammon set used in this video. Each player gets 15 checkers. These checkers are set up in opposite corners. The object of the game is to be the first player to remove all their checkers from the board. Checkers will move counterclockwise during the game based on the dice amounts rolled. To start a game, each player will roll 1 die. The player with the higher roll goes first. Wade rolled the higher amount and will go first in this game. Wade starts his turn by rolling both dice. Each dice amount rolled indicates how many pips, or spaces, a checker can move. The starting point of the checkers is known as the head. Only 1 checker can be moved off the head during a turn. Wade starts by moving a checker 2 pips, and then moving the same checker 1 pip. Play moves to Jess, who starts with rolling her 2 dice. Jess will move 1 checker off her head 6 pips, then moves the same checker 1 pip. Play returns to Wade. Players will continue to take turns rolling and moving. A player cannot play on a pip that is occupied by an opponent's checker. Even if it is just 1 checker, the space is still blocked. A player is not allowed to have 6 spaces in a row blocked if there are no opponent's checkers ahead of the block. If a player rolls doubles, they get to move a total of 4 times, twice for each dice amount. A player must have their checkers into their finishing table before bearing off. A player's finishing table is the last 6 pips on their path. Once all a player's checkers are in their finishing table, they can begin to bear off. Bearing off refers to removing checkers from the board. A checker can be removed if a dice amount rolled matches the amount needed to be removed. If there is no checker on that space, a higher checker can be moved. If no checker is higher, a lower checker can be removed from the board. The first player to remove all their checkers from the board wins the game. Thanks again to JP Games for providing the backgammon board in this video. Check them out through the link in this video's description. If you enjoyed learning how to play Narde and you are curious about other games, our channel is your go-to spot for fun, easy to follow tutorials. Check out the collection of videos to find your next favorite game.